morning, students. Welcome to the computer class. Open your Adobe Photoshop books. In the last class, we have discussed about layers. We have discussed background layer, how to create a new layer, delete layer, opacity, blending mode, and layer style. And in the class of today, we will cover page number 12 till 14 and we will discuss how to create clipping mask. We will discuss lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. So students, open your books at the page number 12. First topic we are having clipping mask. Students, we can use one layer to mask the layer above on it. The transparent pixels of a bottom layer mask the layer above it. For doing the practical, we will open the Adobe Photoshop of clipping mask. Here, we will take one new layer. Step is that we will create a new layer. I have created layer 1 by clicking on this create a new layer button. After that, with the help of marquee tool, we can select any marquee tool and we will hold and drag the mouse to make the selection. After that, we will click on this paint bucket tool. We will select it and we will fill any color in it. And next, we will create one more layer by clicking on create new layer button. And we will place the picture or the image, you can say, on which we want the clipping mask should be applied. I will take image from there. I'll select this image, place button and adjust the image according to your wish and place it by double clicking on it. Now, in the layer palette, on the second layer where the image is placed, right click on it and click on create clipping mask. Now see, the clip is done. The clipping mask is done. Whatever the rectangular or elliptical selection I have done, that becomes a mask over the second layer. Clear students? This is creating a clipping mask. If you want to remove it, we are having steps. Again, right click on the layer 2 where the image is placed. Right click on it and select the release clipping mask. The picture will come its original. If you want to create again, right click, create clipping mask. If you want to remove the clipping mask, right click, release. Clear students? Now we will discuss the steps of clipping mask. For creating the clipping mask, we are having steps. Click on start button, all program, Adobe Photoshop CS3. Click on file menu, new option and OK button to create a new file. Draw a small rectangle or any marquee on the layer 1 with the help of marquee tool. We have created one layer and we have done the elliptical shape. You can use any marquee shape. After that, fill it with the color. Place the image on the second layer. Layer 2 means we will create a next layer and we will place the image over it. And right click on the layer 2. Layer 2 means where the image is placed and click on create clipping mask option. This will create your clipping mask. Now next we are having the steps to remove the clipping mask. What are the steps? We are having very simple steps. Right click on the layer 2. Layer 2 means where the image is placed. Right click on it and select the option. Click on release clipping mask option. When you want to remove, we are having option release clipping mask. Clear the clipping mask. Now, next topic we are having lasso tool and polygonal lasso. Students, lasso tool is used to make the freehand, polygonal and magnetic selections. And there are options that allow you to detect the selected edges. Now, we will do the practical of the lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool. For that, we will open Photoshop. Students, this is our lasso tool. First tool, lasso tool. What to do with? Click on this lasso tool. Click on the image and start drawing the selection. I'll start the selection and we have to come to the starting point to close the edges of the selection. See, the selection is done with the freehand. With this lasso tool, we are having the same options of the marquee tool which we have discussed earlier. This is your add to selection. If you want to add more selection, we can add selection. If you want to subtract selection, I will subtract the selection by choosing that option. According to your wish, we are having intersect. If I want the intersection common point, the point to be noted that the edges should be closed. Now this is the intersected part. We are having feather and anti-alias option as we have discussed in the marquee tool. Now next we are having polygonal lasso. What is the function of polygonal lasso? Polygonal lasso, we will click on the starting point. We will click on the next point. Just we have to click to select the part of the image freehand. Now see, we have to close the edges by clicking on the starting point from where we have started the selection. This is also the work of polygonal lasso tool. Now next topic we are having, that is magnetic lasso tool. What is the function of magnetic lasso tool? Magnetic lasso tool is useful for quickly selecting the objects. And we are having the properties of the magnetic lasso tool. First property we are having, that is a width. Width detects the edges only with a specified distance from the pointer. Second property we are having edge contrast. Edge contrast, a higher value detect only the edges that contrast sharply with their surroundings, and lower value detect the lower contrast edges. Clear? Next property we are having frequency. Frequency, a higher value anchors the selection border in image more quickly. Now we will do all these properties and the practical of magnetic lasso tool. For that we will open Adobe Photoshop. Now we will click on magnetic lasso tool. We are having this magnetic lasso tool. Now notice these three properties which I have discussed with you. Width detect the edges only with the specified distance from the pointer. I can set the width according to my wish. 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, that is my wish. Next we are having edges contrast. Edges contrast, higher the detects only the edges that contrast sharply with their surroundings, and the lower value detects the lower contrast edges. That is my wish. I can set according to me. And the frequency, a higher value anchors the selection border in the image more quickly. Now I can adjust the frequency. That is my choice that I want. Now see the work of magnetic lasso tool. Now see, from where I'll start, I just move my mouse pointer. See, automatically like a magnet, it is selecting the part of the image very easily and quickly, like the magnet is attracting something, it is attracting the edges. Now see, I'll come over there and close the edges by clicking on it. It is very easy for the selection with the help of magnetic lasso tool. Now, I want to discuss the contrast with you once again. Now see, I want to change. I will change it. I will do it different properties. I will do it 50%. Now I change the frequency of the width also. Frequency and width. I'll make it 45. I want to change the frequency to the 56 and I can do the selection, and when I start clicking on it, automatically the width attracts the according to the pixels I have given. Contrast will match the contrast colors, and the frequency higher the anchor value selection border help me to select the border. Means according to my wish I can select any properties. This is the work of magnetic lasso tool. Now let us discuss its steps. Magnetic lasso tool. How to use magnetic lasso tool. For that we are having steps. Click on start button. All program Adobe Photoshop CS3. Click on magnetic lasso tool. Set the required properties. Which properties? Width, edges contrast and frequency. Hold and drag the mouse over the part of the image. Which part? Which I want to select. Click on the starting point of the selection. Means when you want to complete your selection, come to the starting point and click on it to complete your selection. Clear, students? So, in the class of today, we people have discussed how to create clipping mask, what is the use of lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool, and what is magnetic lasso tool. Students, try to do the practical of these tools with the help of school links. Thank you so much.